India has just taken a massive leap into the future of robotics with the unveiling of its first ever AGI-powered humanoid robot. The groundbreaking development comes from Pune-based startup Muks Robotics, which has just revealed its next-generation humanoid robots under the Spaceo lineup. And let me tell you, these robots are not just another step in AI evolution. They are something entirely new. Welcome back, guys. Alfie here with another massive update. India shocks world with the unveiling of its first ever AGI-powered humanoid robot, and you can count on AI Nexus to bring you every detail as it unfolds. Let's go. So, what's the big deal? For starters, Muks Robotics claims these robots are powered by Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. That means we're not just talking about your typical AI-driven robots that perform specific pre-programmed tasks. No, these humanoids are built to think, plan, adapt, and function in a way that mimics human cognition. If this claim holds true, it's one of the biggest advancements in AI robotics history. One of the flagship models, the Spaceo Pro, is designed for industrial applications. This robot is a beast when it comes to strength and adaptability. It boasts a 200-kilogram payload capacity, which is insane for a humanoid. Each of its arms, featuring 7 degrees of freedom, can lift up to 10 kilograms. But what's even crazier is its adjustable reach, up to 8 feet. That's a serious game-changer for industrial environments, allowing the robot to handle tasks like lifting, assembling, and transporting materials with ease. The Spaceo Pro moves on wheels, optimizing it for smooth, efficient operations in warehouses, factories, and logistics centers. Unlike traditional humanoids, which often struggle with balancing and movement, this wheeled design ensures stability while maximizing efficiency. Imagine a fully autonomous workforce of these robots operating 24/7 in factories, without the need for breaks, sleep, or even direct human supervision. And the AI powering this thing? That's where it gets even more interesting. Muks Robotics is calling its AI system Fusion Max AGI. They claim it's an omni-modal AI that integrates actions, vision, voice, and language capabilities into a single cohesive system. In simpler terms, the AI functions as the robot's brain, allowing it to seamlessly process information from its environment and make decisions accordingly. Now, if you're familiar with AI, you know that most robots rely on deep learning models trained on massive datasets. But Muks says Fusion Max AGI takes it a step further. It's fully offline and adapts in real time to new environments without requiring a constant internet connection. That's a bold claim, and if true, it makes these robots far more reliable for sensitive operations where cloud-based AI might be too slow or unreliable. This AI enables the robots to learn independently. Through a process called supervised learning, they can gather inputs from their surroundings, process them, and refine their actions based on human feedback. This means over time, they get better and better at performing their tasks, just like a human would. While the Spaceo Pro is built for heavy-duty industrial tasks, the Spaceo M1 is a humanoid designed for human interaction. Muks Robotics describes it as an autonomous, intelligent, social humanoid robot, and it's aimed at providing services in public spaces, homes, and even offices. One of the most impressive aspects? This robot can engage in long, meaningful conversations in multiple languages. And no, we're not talking about stiff, pre-programmed responses. Thanks to Fusion Max AGI, the Spaceo M1 can generate contextually relevant, natural-sounding conversations in real time. Imagine having a humanoid assistant in malls, airports, hospitals, or even your home, capable of answering questions, providing directions, and even holding casual discussions with people. The implications here are massive. Customer service jobs, receptionists, tour guides? A lot of these roles could soon be taken over by AI humanoids like the Spaceo M1. We're talking about a future where humanoid robots are a common sight in everyday life. But it doesn't stop there. Muks Robotics is also working on a humanoid called the Spaceo Prime, designed specifically for space exploration. According to their website, this robot is being developed with the goal of securing humanity's future beyond Earth. Space exploration requires highly durable, adaptable robots that can function in extreme conditions. If Muks Robotics delivers on its promise, Spaceo Prime could potentially assist in setting up extraterrestrial habitats, repairing spacecraft, or even exploring planetary surfaces. Given that NASA, SpaceX, and China's CNSA are all aggressively pursuing robotic assistance for space missions, India might have just positioned itself as a major player in the field. Now let's talk about the man behind this revolutionary startup, Dr. Mukesh Bangar. A self-taught AI and robotics engineer, Dr. Bangar was formerly a dentist before he decided to pursue his passion for technology. In 2021, he founded Muks Robotics with a mission to create robots that think, imagine, and plan. But Dr. Bangar's vision goes beyond just building robots. He wants to secure the future of humanity's existence. That's why Muks Robotics is also working on the Spaceo Prime, a robot designed for space missions. Yes, you heard that right? Space missions. The Spaceo Prime is still in development, but it represents the company's ambition to extend humanity's reach into the cosmos. Despite its relatively short existence, Muks Robotics has made waves in the AI and robotics community. The company states its long-term goal is to develop robots that can think, imagine, and plan, ultimately extending humanity's reach into space. It's not every day that a new robotics startup comes out of nowhere and unveils AGI-powered humanoids. This is why Muks Robotics is getting attention from all over the world. Now you might be wondering, how does this stack up against existing humanoid robots from companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, or Figure AI? Tesla's Optimus humanoid is focused on factory and household tasks, but it's still in early development stages and has yet to showcase AGI-level intelligence. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, while incredibly agile, is primarily used for research and lacks real-world commercial applications so far. Figure AI, on the other hand, has demonstrated some impressive dexterity and real-world problem-solving skills, but it's unclear how soon they'll reach mass production. Muks Robotics claims their robots can already think, learn, and plan autonomously in real time, making them a potential game-changer. If these claims hold up, we could be looking at the world's first true AGI-powered humanoid. One of the key themes of Muks Robotics' mission is collaboration. The company believes that the future of technology lies in the partnership between humans and robots. By working together, we can achieve things that were once thought impossible. This vision of collaboration is reflected in the design of the Spaceo Pro and Spaceo M1. These robots are not meant to replace humans. They are meant to augment our capabilities, allowing us to achieve more than we ever could on our own. Whether it's in the factory, the home, or the vast expanse of space, the future is about working together to create a better world. The unveiling of these robots marks a historic moment for India's AI and robotics industry. If successful, Muks Robotics could position India as a major player in humanoid robotics, competing directly with the likes of the US and China. But there are still big questions. How well do these robots actually perform in real-world conditions? Can they live up to their AGI claims? And perhaps the biggest question of all, are we ready for humanoid robots that can think and act independently? For now, all eyes are on Muks Robotics as they continue to push the boundaries of AI and robotics. One thing's for sure, the future is here and India has just made a bold move to lead it. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next update.